Morning, guys. Morning. It's a beautiful morning. Guys, I'm trying to do my hair. I know I'm not gonna be successful in what I'm trying to do, but I'm just trying to set it properly, because this past few days I haven't been feeling really pretty. I've just been feeling off, and I don't even have my necklace with me, so I will be getting a new necklace today from Lovisa. I usually just get a cross one. That's the only thing that I wear. Nijali, guys, talk to me. Feel free. I don't even see you like point your black eye. Nonsense. Because it's fine. It's not like numbing and kanuga or what. My teeth are doing the things today. I was trying to call my girlfriend. Guys, I'm dating girls. I'm doing a lot of talking and nobody's asking anything. Morning. Guys, is this a nice outfit or what? You guys don't like the hair or you just don't like anything? I thought I looked perfect today, but if you guys aren't saying anything, then it just means I'm not pretty today, It's very cold outside. I'm gonna go look for some jeans because I want some jeans. I did my nails, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the kind words. Yeah, it does feel a bit nakedy because I don't have my. I'm good. I'm hundreds, guys. I want to show off my new setting powder for my face from Fenty. It is quite cold today. Thank you, my love. Ukuphila kubanza khona. Ish lona kuyabanza la. And a lot of men kuyabanza. Until you see, I'm wearing this dress. That means it's hot outside and it's cold wherever I'm going. So, guys, I'm from Swaziland. Guys. I'm gonna attempt to wear this necklace today while I go get the other one that I want to get. So I'm gonna attempt this one. this watery one. I'm from Eswatini. Mwakangwane. Ngumswati kwasho emazulu. Emazulu athi umswati. Yena ngiliswati angisi umswati. Ngiliswati. Emazulu they think everyone is Mswati because live lam Swati. Lebesigili. Yabo. Oh, ngiyabonga, promise, ngiyabonga, my friend, ngiyabonga. Most people think Swazi people identify as Mswati. No. Liswati, if it's a singular, if it's just me alone, then Liswati. Then, if we are many, we are then specified as emaswati. Ngemaswati lawa. Hi umswati. Hi umswati. Emaswati. I don't know if it looks good, but I don't think so. You know, most people do think Swazis are just all of them Umswati. Umswati so ushinkosi. Because our king is Mswati, Makosetive Dlamini. Then me as blue, I fall under Mswati. Ngilswati lam Mswati. Arrow, I fall under Mswati. Konke kwenkosi. Nawe lokuphila uwenkosi. I'm being honest. Wonke umuntu loluswati wenkosi. 360. Hey, Barcelona fans. Hey. Nawe lokuphila uwenkosi. Nawe loku ulapho uwenkosi. You don't look South African. What do I look like? Please don't say Nigerian, please. Please don't say that. Thank you. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. I will take that. I will take that. Guys, I'm gonna get something go faster than slow. I was planning on having Red Bull today-ish. My system, iyala. Where did I get my watch from? Lovisa. Lovisa. I'm kidding, this is Cartier. It's Cartier. Boo. What do you mean? It's Cartier. For the girl, it's Cartier. This is Lovisa. This thing, this watery thing is from Shein. Colin Masal, what was your comment, Colin? Let me go up. Ooh, hey, I don't see your comment. Colin. How old are you? I'm 24. I'm an old lady right now. Expired. With no plans of marrying. I got nobody in my life. No one wants me. Just a used old wag that is forcing life by the day. You know. Still fresh. 24 is expired, my guy. You got socials. What is socials? She ignored my comment. But what is it? Guys, like, what are your comments? Like him or for game. Name 4 Barcelona defenders. Max Verstappen. No, something is moving here and I don't like it. Hey, Bo. Giving rich auntie vibes. Yeah, but like singing auntie. Like, nyang yang Angela. DBA, she thinks so all from KZN. Nina Lola came off again, Nita Wayne. Nita Wayne, baby, Mbamba is strong, they sagat and cricket and so near Shana Baby. If you got a chance to cheat, honestly, I would, because the times that I've been played, that time I was trying to be like I wasn't even trying, but like I was just like so honest and open with this person, and that way I don't move that way. I don't think I'll ever move that way. I think that's for crazy people. I don't judge them though, I just don't think that's my thing. I'm a Christian and I don't believe in same-sex marriage. And I do not, but I do have friends who are like that and I still love them. Hope one day they'll make a nice decision, but I still don't do that road. Ever tried S2? What is S2? Is that a car or an Android? No, it must be an Android. I want my kids to look exactly like me. That's a compliment, thank you. I have a bad mental state. I'm not okay, man. 3K. SIM card. SIM. Viyahlanya. Oh my god. Niyahlanya nini.